My Snoring Solution is an effective anti-snoring solution that has been featured on the American medical field television. So, how does this product work? Snoring research has shown that My Snoring Solution jaw supporter can keep the lower jaw in an upward position. It also increases the three-dimensional space in the airway. So, My Snoring Solution can reduce air velocity and soft tissue vibration. This action can eliminate or substantially reduce snoring. But please wait. Before you do anything, I suggest you not to buy My Snoring Solution before you can get enough information. Just click the link below to find out more information about My Snoring Solution.